Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 10 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's find File Manager app. In this phone you've got two file managers that you can enter. Firstly is a Realme My Files app, where you can manage your photos, videos, audio, documents, applications, archives. Also, downloads, Realme, Share, Bluetooth, Private, Save, and Recently Deleted. Then you can clean up the storage by simply pressing this button. Also, you can check your recents. The second app is the Google Files app with very similar functions, but also you can go to Clean and Share. Thanks to Nearby Share, you can quickly share files with other phones that have this function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.